Ever wondered about the extraordinary drones that go beyond the conventional, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible? From delivering packages at lightning speed to monitoring wildlife and safeguarding borders, these aerial champions are not just technological marvels but game changers in various fields. But ever wondered which super drone can fly the farthest? Or which one boasts the most advanced artificial intelligence? Well, before we unveil the top 6 super drones, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Number 6. Thai Aksungur. At number 6, we have the Aksungur, a high-performance drone proudly manufactured in Turkey exclusively for its armed forces. This autonomous wonder is versatile, excelling in tasks like surveillance and maritime patrol. With dimensions of 11.6 meters in length and an expansive 24-meter wingspan, the Aksungur carries a maximum takeoff weight of 3.3 tons and a payload capacity of 750 kilos. Propelled by 2 turbo diesel engines totaling 340 horsepower, it achieves speeds surpassing 250 kilometers per hour. Operating at an altitude of 12,200 meters, this drone boasts an impressive 60-hour range or a distance of 6,500 kilometers, showcasing its endurance and flexibility. 5. Bayraktar Akinci. Next up at number 5, we have the Bayraktar Akinci, a top-tier strategic drone crafted in Turkey. This high-performance wonder boasts autonomous flight capabilities and is equipped with cutting-edge artificial intelligence systems. Spanning 12.2 meters in length and with a wingspan of 20 meters, the Akinci carries a maximum takeoff weight of 5.5 tons and a payload capacity of 1.5 tons. Powered by 2 turboprop engines totaling 1,500 horsepower, it achieves speeds of 360 kilometers per hour, flying at an altitude of 12,000 meters with an impressive 24-hour range. Introduced in 2021, the first 3 units are now serving in the Turkish Armed Forces. 4. MQ-9 Reaper. Moving on to number 4, we have the MQ-9 Reaper, a versatile drone proudly made in the United States. This multi-purpose marvel is tailor-made for lengthy, high-altitude missions, measuring 11 meters in length and boasting a 20-meter wingspan. With a maximum takeoff weight of 4.7 tons and a 1.7-ton payload capacity, the Reaper is powered by a robust 900 horsepower engine, cruising at speeds surpassing 450 kilometers per hour. Soaring at an altitude of 15,000 meters and flaunting an impressive 27-hour range, it is currently deployed by the United States Air Force, as well as the Italian and Spanish Air Forces. 3. Predator Sea Avenger. At the top, 3 is the Predator Sea Avenger, a swift and highly precise drone originating from the United States. Designed for speed and accuracy, it excels in challenging environments, enhancing its survivability. With a length of 13 meters and a wingspan of 20 meters, this agile drone weighs in at 18.2 tons with an impressive 4.5-ton payload capacity. Fueled by a single-jet engine, it zooms at speeds of 740 kilometers per hour, reaching altitudes of 15,000 meters. Boasting a 20-hour flight range, the Predator Sea Avenger is currently employed by the United States Air Force, showcasing its prowess in military operations. 2. X-47B. Then, at number 2, we have the X-47B, a high-performance drone crafted in the United States specifically for operations from aircraft carriers. This versatile drone excels in various missions and has influenced the development of other cutting-edge drones. With dimensions of 11.6 meters in length and a 19-meter wingspan, the X-47B has a maximum takeoff weight of 20.2 tons and a payload capacity of 2 tons. Fueled by a single jet engine, it achieves speeds exceeding 1,100 kilometers per hour, soaring at an altitude of 12,800 meters. Its impressive range extends up to 3,900 kilometers, showcasing its innovation in carrier-based drone technology. RQ-4 Global Hawk. At number 1, we have the RQ-4 Global Hawk, a top-notch reconnaissance drone proudly manufactured in the United States. This aerial marvel specializes in performing lengthy, high-altitude missions, capturing detailed images of expansive areas. With a sleek 14.5-meter length and an impressive 40-meter wingspan, it boasts a maximum takeoff weight of 11.6 tons and a robust 1.3-ton payload capacity. Propelled by a single-jet engine, the Global Hawk achieves speeds of up to 630 kilometers per hour, soaring at an incredible altitude of 18,000 meters. Its extensive 22,000-kilometer range, or 42-hour flight time, makes it a vital asset in service with the United States Air Force and the Japan Self-Defense Force. Now, which drone impressed you the most and why? Do you think drone technology will continue to reshape various industries? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this journey through the skies, and subscribe to our channel for more.